Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we actually have an unboxing for you. That's right. We decided to upgrade a couple monitors for ourselves at the GPU mining farm for our workstation and buy some recommendations from some team members out here at the farm. As always, gotta say thank you to you guys. You guys are amazing. Thanks for all your help. We did pick up a couple of the ASUS TUFF GAMING 27-inch 2K HDR curved monitors. Not going to be really doing any gaming with these, so to say, but for doing YouTube videos and seeing stats and all that other stuff, we figured these would be pretty perfect for us. So we got these in from Amazon, and we are going to do a quick unboxing for you guys. So let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
As always, guys, you can do your own research in the description down below. You're going to be able to see the link to this over on Amazon.com. We had a couple of other different monitors that we had looked at, but it seemed like everybody was purchasing these up as soon as they got those stimulus checks. So we want to get into this unboxing here for you. But this is a pretty sweet monitor. The reason I wanted to go with it because it was VESA Mountable, had DisplayPort, HDMI. We're going to run it off our RGB gaming editing mining rig. So we can't wait to show you this workstation once we get finished with this. As always, comment down below. Let us know what you think. If you guys have this monitor, comment. Let us know what you think about it for other people. If you like these kinds of videos, please give us a thumbs up. That way other people can see them. If you don't like this monitor, or you think this video is bunk, give us a thumbs down. But no matter what, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right-hand corner. So let's get into this unboxing of the ASUS TUFF GAMING 27-inch 2K HDR curved monitor. Alright, so you guys can see we got our lovely Amazon box here. This thing is huge. If this monitor is actually this big, I am in trouble. I definitely do not have enough room for this over here. So far so good. Things came pretty decently shipped from Amazon.
If you don't want it, I'll take it home.
We always got the guys here at the farm having a lot of fun, and as you guys could hear, they're ready to take it. They'd love to use it. So let's get this thing out of this box. Here you go. You can see it looks pretty good. Get that out of the way there. So here's how it came packaged. What do you guys think about that? Looks pretty solid so far. Don't see any damage or anything to it. Got the nice tape on it up above here. Does not appear to have any damage or anything like that. So let's get into it. Things do seem to come pretty nice and pretty good packaged here. We're going to have our power cable. Actually, it comes with a DisplayPort and HDMI adapters. I'm very impressed with that, guys. Very impressed with that. Now I don't have to go get those. Also comes with a nice little tool pouch. Alright, it's nice in there, tight like a tiger, just how we like it. Tight like a tiger. Alright, so like we said, guys, in the description down below we'll have a link to this. The ASUS TUFF GAMING monitor. Let's get into it a little bit farther here. We definitely need you guys' thoughts on this one. If you guys have this monitor, been using it for a while and you love it, let us know in the description. We're a big fan of sharing all the knowledge with everybody else. Get some of this stuff out of the way here. Does have the stand in the back, as well as some paperwork, as you can see here. Also comes with another mount or a stand. And there it is. This is what you guys have all been waiting for. This thing did definitely come pretty nice and packaged. Nice and tight in here. We'll see if we can get it out without actually dropping it on the floor. I know a lot of you guys would really enjoy seeing that. There it is. This thing's pretty sexy, to tell you guys the truth. 120% sRGB. We'll let you guys see the back of it here. And there's where we're going to put that VESA mount. But there's several different ways that you can actually do this. Like I said, it comes with this mount here, which I thought was pretty nice. You guys can see this will kind of sit down in here, and that is going to allow you to do a little bit of the swivel action. So we are going to wrap up our unboxing here. The ASUS TUFF Gaming 27-inch 2K HDR curved monitor. We did pick this up from Amazon.com. Like we said in the description down below, we are going to have a link to this so you can see. We also will do a follow-up video for this showing you guys our new workstation once we get everything fired up. Hammered up. We got a lot of fun, having a lot of fun out here at the GPU mining farm. Thank you to the community, first of all, for having us in your home. Also, thank you to the guys out at the farm. It takes a slew of people to do this stuff. It's hard work, but we're having a lot of fun doing it. If you guys like this video, comment down below. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you guys for checking out this unboxing. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks, guys.